for the music, okay. So then, in the break. Well, we're at the Ballet Cymru studios and we're working with the Ballet Cymru pre-professional program to be a part of the show. And then another one after that. Can we have point shoes and junk off, full out, completely, faces, everything, so I can see what it's going to look like. And then so today is really exciting actually because I started work with the Ballet Cymru pre-professionals last week Monday, and we've only had 3 days, 3 half days, and then because they're going all over the world auditioning, I've only had about 6 of them on Monday and Tuesday. So today, so many of them are back from auditions, and we have the University of South Wales narrators, and one of them is also going to be a performer in the show, a dancer in the show, and so they're all here together. So it's really nice actually to see the collaboration take shape in this way. One of the dancers is going to be Whimsy, Julia, and I'm really excited about that. Her character was really amazing, and so it's really nice to see Whimsy take form in human form, you know, not just this imagination of the woman that I've seen in my mind.
As the wind sang its lively tune, Whimsy and the trees.
I have a lot of things in common with Whimsy, and I think the character is really similar to me in my life. It was very sensitive of Crystal for looking that side of me, and it's been a pleasure, and I'm very, very excited about it. I keep reading the text and studying because the text is beautiful and the music is beautiful, and the thing with the kids is amazing, so I'm really, really excited.
So we're all here today. We're going to do runs of the show and clean it up and enhance it. And we're going to have one cast that goes into the school because it's a smaller space. It'll be a smaller cast. And then another cast for the Ballet Cymru show. So I'm really excited to get this work done with them. Do your 4, and then can you move your group in the center? Can I see your sandwich group?
I am a pre-professional dancer with Ballet Cymru, but I've also been involved in working at the school with some other colleagues as well on the Whimsy project. It's a fantastic project with a lot of involvement. So it was really nice to create this connection between the professional dancers and the students.